Hey guys, good evening. We're out early today and I'm excited because my wife is cooking me shabu-shabu. What are you planning to cook? What kind of shabu-shabu is this?
Just boiled meatballs.
Boiled meatballs. Okay. Sige, I'll give them an update. Okay, bye-bye. So guys, quick update on what's happening on the markets. This is part of our daily videos on PSE and also the stocks that you've requested via social media. So if you're new to this page, like or subscribe if you are from YouTube. So the goal of this page, the goal of this channel is to give you updates on the market so you get to trade it with ease and confidence. Alright, so here's what's happening in the PSEI. As expected, the market started to move downward based on its failure to hold the 7,700 support level. Because of it failing to hold the 7,700 support level, it had a downward progression based on our previous PSEI update videos. Now, I mentioned in the previous videos that the support where a lot of buying is as close as it can be to 7,500. So the market closed at 7,560 today, which is already relatively close to where the support is. So now here are the possible scenarios that could happen for the PSEI. Number one, the 7,500 level enforces itself as a legit support level. If it does, the market will start to bounce again and we will go into the consolidation level. However, it does not mean that we will be bullish. It does not mean that we will still reverse, but it means that a possible movement, a bounce from 7.5 will bring the PSEI to 7.7 or to as high and back again to 7,900. So please remember this, bounce from 7.5, it can bring the markets to 7.7. The 7.7 will be the near-term resistance. If it fails to hold and break out from 7.7, you can expect 7.5 to 7.7 progression. Breaks out of 7.7, that's when it has a shot again to challenge 7,900 over the mid to short term level. Now, 7,500 does not hold. Possible downward movement will bring the stock at 7,700. So our goal here, if 7.5 does not hold, is not to buy the market while it's falling. Now, please remember this, if the market keeps dropping and 7.5 does not hold, avoid the market first, avoid the stocks first, avoid your ETFs, your index funds first until you actually see it start to reverse. So again, the goal here is to be in the market when it counts the most. The goal here is to actually come in when buy signals start to emerge. But as of this point in time, for position traders, the market is still bearish. There's still no reversal and it's now hanging on a thread at the 7,500 support level. So 7.5 does not hold, it can drop to 7.3. 7.5 bounces, it does not warrant a reversal. It just tells us that there's a relative level of buying at 7.5 and it could bring the markets to around 7,700 for the short term. Now, for your top request, I'm just going to talk about one stock because unanimously a lot of you guys mentioned it, requested it over the past few days, and the past few weeks a lot of people have been asking it as well. I'm talking about Now. Now is up today at 9.2 pesos per share. From the past videos, I've mentioned that there was a resistance at 9 pesos per share. What does that mean? If Now stays above 9 and it breaks away, even goes above 9.2, I believe that if I mentioned in the past videos that our resistance is not just a price but a price range, it needs to stay not just above 9 but above 9.2 pesos per share. But because of that, for those following the charts very well, there's a very large gap already to where the next resistance is. So what does that mean? If Now stays above 9, stays above 9.2, there's a big possibility, there's a big shot that it could possibly continue its upward movement up to around 13 pesos, 12.75 to 13 pesos per share. So why am I saying this? For those who are holding Now, for those who are positioned but at the six levels when it started to bounce from that, you don't need to sell yet. Please remember this, as long as Now stays above 9, as long as it stays above 9.2, there could be a possible upward projection still that could bring Now to around 12.75 to 13 pesos per share over the short term. Now, what does this have to do with what if it goes the other direction? If the 9 peso level does not hold, if the 9.2 peso level does not hold as well, your goal, you bought at 6 something, take profits. Your goal is not to predict, forecast the market, but to treat it based on what the signals are telling us. So if 9.2 does not hold, sell, take profits. But if it does stay above 9.2 levels, by all means, hold. Next target price will be 12.75 to around 30 pesos per share. So that's quite a good upside as well for those who would want to do quick level tradings as well. So I'll keep you posted on what's going to happen over the next few weeks and months with regards to where now is headed. But congratulations for those who position. Congratulations also for those who bought at around 6-7 levels, because you have quite a handsome upside as well. So that's it for now. Let me give you an update now for those who signed up for Icon 2018. I'm excited. It's just 3 days away. Saturday, May 26, Samsung Hall. Looking forward to see you guys there, no? It will be Randall Chongson, Rex Mendoza, myself, Dodong Kakanando, and a plethora of speakers there. So I'll put the link below for those who want to join me, for those who want to be part of this historic event with over 1,000 investors willing and excited to learn as well. Other than that, StockSmart's Melbourne will be June 9 to 11, and StockSmart's Manila will be June 16, 23, and 30. Link will be also below. So that's it for now. Marvin Germo talking about PSEI and also now Telecoms. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, and see tayo da. But I'm excited for your shabu-shabu. Alright everyone. Goodbye. God bless you and have a great night ahead.